Sirens cry in the dead of night, shadows moving without a light. Nobody knows what's coming near. Engines roar across the sky, steel wings rising way up high. Through the fire and through the rain, no one leaves this war the same. Signals breaking through the dark, unknown shadows leave a mark. Every warning starts to rise, fear reflected in their eyes. Metal storms across the land, silent armies take command. Burning skies and falling flame, nothing ever stays the same. Flames are dancing in the sky, echoes screaming far and high. Broken streets and shattered walls, darkness slowly takes it all. Through the smoke we still remain, standing strong inside the flame. When the silence fills the air, only shadows still remain there. In the ashes of the night, we remember every fight, but every heartbeat feels the fear. No more waiting, no more time, no more waiting, no more time.